Hey there, homeowners! Ever worry about the security of your home while you're away? Today, I'm diving into a game changer, the solar panel battery-operated outdoor security camera. I've got the nitty-gritty details and an honest review just for you. First, let's talk about the design. This sleek and modern camera blends seamlessly with any home exterior. It's got a minimalist vibe with a durable build that promises to withstand the elements. Rain or shine, this camera is ready. Now, the standout feature: solar power. Imagine a security camera that doesn't need constant battery swaps or wiring headaches. This baby charges itself with just sunlight, plus it's super eco-friendly. You can literally set it and forget it. Installation is a breeze. With the magnetic mount, you can easily adjust the camera to get the perfect angle. And the best part? No drilling required. Just stick it up and you're good to go. Let's move on to the tech specs. This camera boasts 1080p HD video quality, which means crystal clear footage day and night. It also has a wide-angle lens, so you're covering more ground with fewer cameras. And the night vision? Absolutely stellar. You'll see everything, even in pitch darkness. For those who love smart home gadgets, this camera integrates smoothly with Alexa and Google Assistant. Just say the word, and you can view your feed on any compatible device. Convenience at its finest. Speaking of convenience, let's not forget the two-way audio feature. Whether you want to scare off intruders or chat with delivery folks, this camera has got you covered. It's like having a virtual doorman. Now let's talk about the app. The user interface is intuitive and easy to navigate. You can view live footage, get motion alerts, and review past recordings all from your smartphone, anywhere, anytime. So, what's the verdict? If you're looking for an affordable, reliable, and eco-friendly security solution, this solar panel battery-operated outdoor security camera is a top contender. And if you want to grab one for your house, check the link in the description below. All right, folks. If you found this review helpful, smash that like button, share it with your friends, and drop a comment with your thoughts. I'd love to hear your honest opinions. And don't forget to check out the next video for more fascinating facts and reviews. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.